This is just the intro.
Good guys. Wait, hold on.
No, it's good. Go. I can edit. Come on.
Why? Wait, hold on. Where's the videos? Why? Oh, hello guys. It's me, Bentley, and I've actually realized something. I have more fun. And wait, hold up. And also,
Tell me what you're doing.
I am actually working on something like with dumb edits. What
game?
On Slimerancher, even though it's dumb.
It's still what?
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Now you're gonna go over here. Oh.
Ah! Get away! Get away! Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Oh, hey, wait, hold on. I feel like it's gonna be like the there's
Ooh,
no
it'll
shade.
work.
Oh, goodbye! Oh god! Okay. Go away. Oh, bye. Oh, jeez. Okay. The next step is actually shoes.
Let's see where we're going. No, it's still on.
Wait, what is going on?
Ooh!
Have to get out.
Wow, look at all these thwarts!
Okay, have to get out.
Where are we, Benny?
Out.
Oh, you're getting somewhere. Look at you.
Wait.
You're going to secret map area. Oh god! They're invisible! They're hunters!
That was like.
Saber Hunter Largos. There's another one.
I'm trying to find like a saber slime in this game.
Oh, okay, cool. So that's our objective, guys.
Wait.
It's a mass cache of freaking stony hands!
A stony handed ball. Wait, what the heck?
Tornado!
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god! Okay, you're okay.
Okay, that was close. Oh. More stony things. Oh my god.
Oh no! We're good. Look! Kukadobas! Kukadobas!
It's a Kukadoba.
Nice.
Oh.
Yeet! Kukadobas.
Oh god, there's some. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Run. And actually.
You gonna go?
Oh, wait.
You're gonna leave this to me?
Excuse me. No.
Oh, excuse me.
No.
Whoa, that's a cool background!
That's not.
Made it!
I already made it first.
No, you were the only one playing. Of course you made it first. Oh yeah! Doba, getting some dobas. Oh, there was some chicken too. You gonna push him off? And get yeeted. Ah, you trying to save him? Oh! My ears!
Okay. This is game.
Yeah, you're really hectic, right? Chaos. You're running out of boost. He just makes it. And he found a nice. Ah!
No.
Ooh, he just chomped down on that, didn't he?
That was your favorite.
Nice. Did he just go in there? Oh no, he just went and fell. Oh, it's Pro Strat League right here. Pro Strat League. Pro Strats, you jumping, you strafing. Oh, you found a little portal.
Okay. Time to go.
Oh, it's time to get runs, hon.
Spicy tofu.
Yeah! Lovely spicy tofu. Let's look at the Slimepedia.
According
According to my Slimepedia. Let's see what the Slimepedia has to say. Nothing. There's. Oh, okay. There it is. Nope. Oh, it's not in here. Oh.
You have to get it first.
Wait, you already have? You already have slime tofu. Wait, what do you have?
It's spicy tofu.
Oh, then it'll be in foods.
It is.
Oh yeah, you are in food categories, but it's up here somewhere. I guess you're gonna stop looking for it, maybe. Maybe it's just in tofu. No.
Oh, there's a gilded.
Odd onion. Gilded ginger.
There's like some
Yep, you don't have one, man.
gold slimes are. They're gold slime's favorite food, like gilded ginger. Or something.
Oh, good thing you got some.
Slime science. Okay.
Oh, so you had to go through. Now you can read your Slimepedia.
Okay.
There we go. Now let's go read the Slimepedia. Back to that. Resources.
According to
Come on, Benny. Tell me about it. According to my what?
Okay.
Oh,
Wait, go back. Oh.
there it is.
According to my research, this spicy tofu is made in.
From. Oh, too bad. Somebody decided not.
I just did that.
Yeah, decided not to.
Okay, here we go.
Day 201. I haven't seen my family for years.
No, you have seen your family.
I was talking about you, but it was a joke. It's a skit.
Okay.
Oh, made yourself coop.
I'm gonna try and make it.
Coop the box.
Oh,
24 swap.
oh man! I guess you can't do that. Oh, so you can't. Let's try this one more time. What?
Because that's a coop. You made you made a garden. Oh yeah, you can't grow. Tofu's not that kind of food, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, tofu is made from stuff that's already grown.
Oh, tofu is like
Yeah, tofu doesn't grow out of the ground. Does not grow out of the ground like carrots, like berries, or
cucadobas.
or pog fruits, whatever.
Explode! What the heck?
They all showed up. Dang, they dropping them. Nice. Eat that.
Like they're like. Oh my god! It's like too much chaos. Oh my god! Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go check. There's like a party garden.
Oh, a party gordo. Sweet. That's the big monies. Oh, what? No.
Okay, here. Oh. Okay,
You got to go bathroom?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me pause this.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Be okay. Are you gonna try to make it over there?
Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh.
Oh, not a good spot.
Oh.
You got a light. Didn't know you had a flashlight.
Okay, I'm gonna try and. Okay, let's do that. Oh, wait. Where do I go?
Ooh.
Oh, shoot! Tar!
Oh, get out of here! Nice.
Oh.
2 for 1.
And.
Need some more water.
I just need
Some more water.
Okay. I'm gonna. Oh, jeez.
There's a lot of danger right there.
Oh god. Oh crap. I have to go. I go back. Oh, Jesus
Almost
Christ.
fell for that.
No portal. Well, wait, let me actually go get it. Oh, shoot. Let me go.
Turn it around. Go this way.
Go around.
Round and round. What goes around?
Ah!
Sticky!
Okay, I'm gonna try and get up there. Yeah, wait.
Oh, it's a tar!
Ornament. A tar ornament.
Cool. Alright, everybody. We got a tar ornament. I think that might be near the end of the vid.
Well, make it like 2.
Obviously.
Okay.
Let's just wait and see what you do.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
No! You got no boost! You crazy!
Okay.
Okay, get some boost. Oh, he's gonna make it all the way home. Here we go. He's gonna get the boost. Get the boost. And go! I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna make it! I'm not gonna make it anymore!
Okay, that's.
Oh no!
I'm gonna. Okay,
Oh, yep. That's about it. Alright, guys. To be continued. Come back and see more. Oh,